counting to 10, and we're using pips to mark the game markers to mark the pips on the dice. First player rolls, and they're trying to get 10, and they're building the number 10. This activity will help them see the number 10 to make adding numbers much easier when they go to add two-digit numbers. You can practice this at home. It's great to have them roll dice or with a card game, possibly, to be adding numbers up. They are supposed to be yelling right on when they hit 10, so that's why you're hearing a lot of that.
Dedicated to the Packers.
And some of us always remember we're a Packer fan.